And the strangest part is, many of these Great Depression survival tricks never fully disappeared. Some families quietly passed them down for generations, not because they wanted to remember hard times, but because they feared those times could return. During the worst years of the Great Depression, people learned something modern society almost forgot. Comfort is temporary. Survival skills are forever. In some American towns, families started raising rabbits in secret because rabbits reproduced quickly and required very little food. A single small backyard could suddenly become the difference between eating and starving. This was not farming, this was emergency planning. Others became experts at stretching flour. Some mothers added mashed potatoes into bread dough just to make loaves last longer. The bread became heavier, denser, and sometimes barely edible. But it filled stomachs, and during the Great Depression, that was enough. Then there were traveling workers who created entire survival communities near railroad tracks. Strangers shared food scraps, sleeping spaces, and survival information with each other. If someone discovered where free soup was being handed out, word spread fast. People survived because they stopped thinking like individuals. They survived like tribes. One forgotten trick that shocked historians involved bacon grease. Families saved every single drop after cooking because grease became cooking oil, flavoring, and sometimes even fuel. Nothing was thrown away, not even fat. Imagine living in a world where a spoonful of grease felt valuable. That was America in the 1930s. And then came the children. Many kids during the Depression grew up faster than anyone should. Some left school early to help parents work. Others collected scrap metal, bottles, coal, or leftover food just to help their families survive one more week. Childhood became survival training. Here's what most history books never explain. The Great Depression did not only change money, it changed how people thought forever. People stopped trusting banks. They stopped wasting food. They learned to repair instead of replace. Even decades later, many survivors still saved old containers, folded used foil, and reused broken items because the fear of losing everything never truly left them. The Depression ended, but the survival mindset stayed. And honestly, maybe that mindset is the real reason America survived at all. Because when systems failed, ordinary people adapted. Not perfectly, not comfortably, but successfully enough to survive. So if another economic collapse happened tomorrow, would modern families know what to do? Or have we forgotten the very skills that once kept millions alive? Let me know in the comments, and if you want part 2, there are even darker Great Depression survival stories, history almost erased completely.